Class 7, lesson number 8, algebraic expressions. There are 3 apples and 4 bananas. Write the expression for it. Here, take A letter for the apples and the B letter for the bananas. So, apples will be 3A because 3 apples are there and A is for apples. And 4B means B for banana and 4 bananas are there. So, 4B. Now, we can express it as an algebraic expression 3A plus 4B. Together, how many fruits are there? 3A plus 4B. Here, in above expression, 3 and 4 are the coefficients. Means these letters are called as the variables. And these 3 and 4 are called as the coefficient. Here, the rectangle is shown and B is for the breadth and L is for the length. Perimeter of the rectangle formula is 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. We can write the 2 as a common and in bracket L plus B. Here L and B are the variables. Variables means what? The value of that particular term can be different. Means here the length may be 2, length may be 4, length may be 5 or 10. So the value of the length varies. Here B also. The breadth may be 1, then 2 or 8 or 7, any number. So value of the B also varies. Means the value is variable. So these letters are used for the variable values. That's why these letters are called as the variables here. Understood it? And the numbers which are in multiplication with the variable are called as the coefficient. Means 2L means 2 multiplied by L. All of you knew it, that 2L means 2 multiplied by L. So whenever the multiplication is the only one operation in between the coefficient and the variable, that time this 2L is called as the term. See, this 2 is only coefficient. This L is only variable. But this 2L together is called as the term. This is the one term plus 2B. Here also 2 is the coefficient, B is the variable and 2B is the term. So now you know that 3n plus 1, 3t, 2x plus 3y, 2 times L plus B are the algebraic expressions. Here n from this t, x and y, L and B are the variables above this expression. When terms are expressed in the form of the operations, means addition, subtraction, like these operations, that are called as the algebraic expressions. In the expression 3x, 3 is the coefficient of the variable x. And here minus 15t. In that minus 15 is the coefficient and the variable is t. An expression in which multiplication is the only operation is called as the term. Means this 3x is one term, minus 15t is one term. An algebraic expression may have the one term or many. Maybe the sum of the several terms. So here some terms are given 11mn. So this term has the 2 variables m and m. Each term has the one variable or many variables, but only one coefficient. So here 11 is the coefficient and m and n is the variable. Minus 9x square y cube. Here minus 9 is the coefficient and x square y cube, from that x and y are the variables. For writing here in the variables column, we will not write the powers of it. 5 upon 6 p. Here 5 upon 6 is the coefficient and p is the variable. A. This a doesn't have any coefficient, but whenever the number is not written here, that time coefficient is 1 always. Like the, if denominator is not given, we will write the denominator 1. Same way, here number is not written, that time the coefficient is 1. So coefficient is 1 and the variable is a. Understood it? In algebraic expression, 4x square minus 2y plus 5 upon 6xz. 4x square is the first term. This 4x square is the one term and the first term. 2y is the second term and the 5 upon 6xz is the third term. Here 4 is the coefficient and x is the variable. 2 is the coefficient and the y is the variable. 5 upon 6 is the coefficient and x and z are the variables. Understood it?